Oh sorry man, so you are not able to, कौन सा फर्म का अकाउंट है? Well, this is am I audible now properly? Can you please clear if I'm audible now? Mr. Clutch Gaming, can you please clear if I'm audible now? Please bro, can you clear if you can hear my voice properly and clearly? Well, if you can hear my voice, then this okay. Then this is well Thora funded. As of you can see the banner on the above, it is well Thora funded 10K account. It is a funded account, and that's some and the cartoon character was Assalamu alaikum bro. Okay bro, Jai Sri Ram bro. कैसे हो bro? I'm okay. I'm good bro. How are you, cartoon character? Okay. So we are in a deep consolidation here. We are in. I am still hoping for the market to close above this high, this area. Once we get a body candle closer of this area on 1 minute time frame, then we will be good to go to the upside. But for now, we cannot say anything. The market is uncertain right now. We had a trade here when the market was falling, and it took our stop loss, and it rejected from this mass block. And during that trade, I lost like $105. And right now, we are in another trade just from that entry and another stop loss. And right now we are in a greens trade right now, but the trade is still hovering around that area, and that is a bad thing for me. And I'm just uncertain and uncertain and not doing well right now in psychologically. I'm very afraid right now about this trade because I have risked whole 1%. Let me show you. You can see $101 in risk. I have risked 1% to gain 20% in profits. So this is a very big trade for me, and let's see how it goes. We have a balanced price range here. We have a balanced price range here, which is rejecting the prices to the lower side, and we don't have anything from the lower side that can reject prices to the higher side. That is one bad thing. DFT fake hai kya bhai? No bro, I am also trading on DFT account. This trade is also on a DFT funded account. So don't worry, if they are fake, they will deny my payout, and I will let you know. This will give me whole like $1,500 in profit on DFT account as well. If this trade goes in our favor, it will give me $1,500 in profit on DFT account as well. So we will know very soon. In the 1 month, we will know DFT is fake or not. Well, they were advertised by Forex Prop Reviews, so they shouldn't be fake. Well, we got a doji candle on 15 minutes time frame. It's a good bull candle. I hope the market continues its bull momentum. DFT is not fake, bro. One of my community members had taken $200 of payout from a 5K account, so I think they do said they do give payouts, and they claim that they give real funds to trade on the funded account. So that's another positive thing about them. Is the market going to create another doji on 15 minutes time frame? I don't want to see any doji right now. Not any doji for sure. I want to see a big green candle. I really want to see a big green candle on this 15 minutes time frame. I want to see a break above this high. A break above this high is what I want to see with this 15 minutes candle, and that is what that will satisfy my uh, what I say fear and uh, what I stress. If this trade goes to win, then I will be able to withdraw like $3,000 from the Wealth or a funded account. If it doesn't go well, then I will lose $100. What's happening? I think construction work is happening somewhere. Yes, bro, I got my funded account on DFT and we also funded as well at CPI. Yes, today is CPI, but CPI is we have kind of a lot of time for the CPI news. Let's go to Forex Factory. Well, the CPI is at 8:30 a.m. That is quite like uh, 3 to 5 hours away now. Which is like after 5 hours from now, so we can just wait for. We can just trade proper, chill and trade right now. I hope there is no USD JPY news right now. If there is, then we might get stuck. There is no news right now. Is there? Let's see. We didn't notice if there is news right now. See, the news is at 4 a.m. That is Euro news. We don't have any news related to USD or JPY. So we are good to go with this trade. The market has rejected one, two, three times from this balanced price range. This is the fourth attempt of the market trying to break this balanced price range, and we are at $951 in profit right now. I can close the trade, but then I will take a trade, and then again I will risk some amount, and that will be another uncertainty if I'm going to win the trade or not. So why not to hold on this trade, because we had a really big down candle and now we are going to for the recovery, and we are in the recovery phase in the USD JPY to the bull side. So we are trading the recovery phase, and with our model 1 is to 10 is guaranteed, 1 is to 5 is absolutely guaranteed. So let's mark our risk to reward ratios. Risk to reward ratio, it it went like 3.5 RR, then came back. 3.5 RR is nearly like 1. 3.5 RR is big. The market just dropped down. 3.5 RR is big, man. 3.5 RR is big. RR. We will look for at least uh, we don't have anything above 5 RR. Let's on level 11.5 RR. It let's make it minus 10 RR. Make this minus 15 RR. Make this minus 20 RR. Okay, so we are all set now, and we are still hoping for a green candle on 15 minutes time frame. So here we are, 15 RR, 20 RR. 20 RR is here. That's a big RR we are aiming for. That's a really very big RR we are aiming for. ये ट्रेड लाइव लिए थे या ऑफलाइन? ब्रो, I took this trade after before the stream started, so it was offline. आप कौन कौन से टाइम लाइव आते हो? well, like I'm live at Asia session, that is 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. p.m. in 10 सुबह को 10 बजे या 11 बजे से 1 बजे तक, फिर शाम को 3 बजे से लेकर 5 बजे तक, और उसके बाद रात को 8 बजे या 7 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे तक। मतलब एशिया सेशन, लंदन सेशन और न्यूयॉर्क सेशन, हम तीनों टाइम लाइव आते हैं। Sorry for the noise. That noise, it is some construction work happening around my house. That is what you are listening to. So the market tried to break this balance price range like fifth time, 1, 2, 3, fourth time when it failed, and that is a matter of concern. We have 7 more minutes. We have 7 more minutes till this 50 minutes candle closes. I think we have to wait for a while for this market to give a proper movement in either direction. We again came back to the entry price, and now we want to see and pull back to the upside. If the market wants to create a doji candle again, like the previous 50 minutes candle, or it is going to take our stop loss. That is not a good candle. This is a very bad candle. So we are going to stop out, I think. Yes, so we are stopped out. So we got stopped out on this trade. The market might be going to this mass block. So we are in $705 in, and we have lost to $50 today. So I have to make another $300 to request a payout of that big amount. Should we take another trade? One loss. Okay, bro, we will take next trade live. How about this trade? But I think the market is dropping right now. Let's look at gold. Well, the dollar index had plans for the upside. Why did it again came back to this inversion fair value gap? That's the reason for the USD JPY coming down. So we cleared this sell side. So we must have been stopped out on the DFT account as well. So we are $250 in loss. We have $150 more to risk. The next trade will be from after we have a body candle closer above this high, this candle's high. We have a trade in gold to the long side. Here is we have a thunder FBG we can take, and 1:5 trade here. 1:5 trade. Okay, so what we have missed this trade as well. USD JPY. I had to $50 in losses, so it doesn't really make a sense that we trade again. Hello Sachin Sahani, bro. How are you? Welcome on this trade. I mean, welcome on the stream. Right now, we don't have any setups at all. Let's remove this as well. Next setup is here. Let's remove mask block was this mask block was to be used here, and capture this move. This mask block was used to be here to capture this move. This mask block was to used here to capture this move, but I didn't close. Now we have this mask block. It will be used after we have a body candle close above, and it will be used to capture a move that will go to the upside. But before that we have this mask block, which will be used to capture the move to the upside. I will risk like 1% again. So commissions are $80 for 14.7. We have $163 in losses and $80 in commissions, so total to $53 in losses. So if I open 7 lots again, that would be bad. I should open say 5 lots next time. What is your gold bias? The gold is going bullish, bro. See, the gold will go bullish. I am bullish for the gold right now. So let's take a trade in gold. Gold, taking trade on gold doesn't take a lot of like, it really doesn't take any. We can take a long on gold, but I don't want to lose more today. We have lost to $53 already. I think I should have closed the trade earlier, but we are recovering, right? Let's see. We are in a recovery phase. Market went down, went up, down, up, down, up. It has come down. After this candle, we will surely have a green candle, 2 or 3 green candles again. And I'm hoping for the market to drop to all the way down here. Let's just hope for the best. Let's look at gold. The gold is very slow right now, but this is my bias for gold. We swiped out this liquidity, then we gave market structure shift. We also have this thunder FBG, and dollar index is has upside potential, so gold can come down. It is not like it cannot. It has also swiped liquidity here. If we get a body candle close below this low, then there will be a short on gold. If we get a body candle close below this, then there is a short on gold. And combining the analysis from dollar index and gold, I think the gold will go down. I'm sure this trade will not work out. The next FVG is right this one. Once we get a body candle close below this, the market will use this candle, this FVG, to uh, go down more lower. Only if the dollar index goes lower. Yeah, I am totally confused right now. I am on this USD JPY trade, bro. So let's talk about USD JPY right now. Let's look at this account, what how it went. It is in $300 in losses, so I'm not trading this account anymore today. This account is 700, it is to $50 in losses, so I can take a trade on this account. USDJPY chart. It takes a lot of, like, really a lot of commissions. Like, see, it took $35 in commission for 7 lots. $35 in commission is a lot. That's why I have reduced my lot size to 5 lots. I think it's $5 per lot. If I am going with one lot, 5 lot, stop loss will come here. I have to decrease the lot size to 1, increase this to 2, 3. So this is going to be a very bad trade. Should I trade more today? I have told you my gold bias. It was bullish, but if we get a body candle close below this, then we are going to the bearish side. Wait for either breakout. We already had a trade on gold, with which I accomplished the target on instant funded account on props up trader account. Right now, if the gold is going bullish, Dixie is coming down for sure. If the Dixie is coming down, the USD JPY will come down as well. To $50 in losses, that is 750 $950. I was, now I am in $705 right now. So let's just wait for our setup, and then we will take any trade. We will take $100 of risk again. So, and $35 will be our commissions, to $135 in total. So if we lose $135, we are at 250 to $50. 100, it will be $150 plus $380 will be our loss. So we will be in the safe zone, but we need a body candle close above this mass block. We will need a body candle close above this mass block to enter along. Let's look at 15 minutes candle. The 15 minutes candle will close in 8 minutes. We are about to we are about to get a body candle closer or any kind of closer above this mass block. We will just enter into a trade. This price was rejected all the way down by this balance price range. This balance price range pushed the prices all the way to this low and cleared the sell side liquidity, and now it is again pushing the prices to the lower side, but we are on bulls because dollar index is also on bulls. The gold should go down, but the gold is not following the correlation. When there is thunder FBG, market rarely follows correlation or anything. It just follows my model. Dixie creating a dome kind of structure. It will surely break above to the upside. USDJPY. We are waiting for a body candle close of this mass block, and then we will take an entry. We might not get much time to take an entry to the upside. It will be just one candle closer, then just one candle tap, then boom to the upside. Just waiting for a body candle closer above the mass block. Did we get a body candle close? We didn't get a body candle close. Let's include the wicks as well. I would say enter the long with a risk. I would say enter the long. If you consider only the bodies, then still now there is no body candle closer. We might get a body candle closer with this candle. I will take a market entry into this account, but we have to have a body candle closer above. If there is no body candle closer, then there is no trade. Yes, we might get a body candle closer with this candle. Gonna take a risk and enter into this trade, hoping that this candle will just go above and no candle will ever come back. I will not do that, but I will surely put a limit order here. Stop loss all the way here. 13 milliseconds more. See, that's why I always say wait for a body candle closer. Can you see these rejections? That's why I always say wait for a body candle closer. GBP USD must be having a model too. Dexy, एक minute, Dexy is going up to the upside and USD is being held to the lower here. So we might take a long here, put our stop losses here because USD JPY is being manipulated right now. The Dixie has went all the way upside. Let's see how much it has went to the upside. But USD JPY has been manipulated and is being manipulated right now. We have CISD, we have FVG. This could be an entry as well, but this is a high risk entry. Are you willing to take this entry? Because Dixie has went up a lot and USD JPY has not. So the thing is, there is manipulation in the USD JPY and it will break out very fast. There is a CISD and there is FVG. Would you like to take this trade? Would you like to take this trade, Sachin? Let's see if we get a close above the candle. I will take the trade as soon as we get a body candle close above. Should I take this trade? Okay, so now I will just should I enter into long? It is 5:45, 40. It is 3:45, but I still want to wait for a body candle closer. Okay, so now I'm going to take this trade now. It's went up. It's went up too high. It has gone too high. Then we can. I don't think we will get an entry anymore. Let's see if we can get an entry. Let's see if the market wants to come back to fill us in. Get an entry. 15 minutes candle. Let's see if it really wants to come back and give us an entry. The market is not coming down to give us an entry anymore, so we have lost like this 1,900 dollars in profit. Let's come back here. And now let's see if it gives us an entry. We missed by just 1 point. So here is our new trade. If you want to go market entry, you can get a market entry right now. You can lower the lot size and go market entry. This is our trade, and we might not market might not come back and take us in. This is our trade. I should have entered here as I was having the tickles to just to enter, as the USDXY has went up. USDJPY will just rise up very fast. Oh, shit, man, we have lost and trade another trade. We just couldn't get an entry. Come on, give us an entry in USDJPY. I'm afraid to take entry here, because if we take entry here and the market comes back, we don't have that much of time. Hello Sumant, welcome on the stream. And we are hoping for a very very big entry right now. If we lose, we lose like today's trading for the day, and if we win for like 5 or 6 days. Just a little bit more, come down just a little bit more. It has to come down just a little bit more to take our entry, but it didn't. Should I take a market entry? What do you say? On USD should I take a market entry, or we should wait for the market to give us an entry? I always suggest waiting for the market to give us an entry. hmm Did it touch the? No, it didn't touch the mass block. It did not touch the mass block. It needs to touch the mass. It might have touched the mass block. Nah, it did not touch the mass blocks week, even in the week. It needs to touch the mass block. It need to mitigate the mass block before going up. Come on, USDJPY. Mitigate the mass block. Here we are, another with rejection block, another rejection for this market. It might go up, then come down, then go up. Our entry is we are supposed to practice. We are at 135, $133 in risk. 33, 76, 376. I don't want to miss this trade, man. Come on, get our fill in, get us in market. This is too much of an so it does the mass block, and then now let's see if it comes back or not. If it goes above the mass block, then we will take entry there. I hope it comes back down, takes our entry, then goes up. That's the all we can do. That is hope. We are in the macro time frame now. This scenario can unfold. Let's see if this scenario unfolds or not, or if the market will just go up. Nah, the market is not coming back down anymore. But if we get a body candle close above this, I am going to get into this trade. Right now we had this CISD and FVG chance. I was having tickles to enter into this trade right here, but I did not because I have very low amount of drawdown left. Right now we will win the next hour candle in just 7 minutes. Either two of the following scenarios will unfold. It will just go up, smack this and start going up, or it will come down, mitigate this block and go up. Let's see if its scenario unfolds. In both the scenarios we will try to get an entry to the long side. If you are using low lot size, then you can enter this trade already. I'm using very big lot size right now. That's the matter of tension. Last 5 minutes to the hourly candle closer. Okay, so we had a big pullback. Very good, very good. Now just take an entry. Let's see hourly candle. How is it? Hourly candle is doji in the previous. We were in that trade. Now we need a mitigation of this mass block. Let's see if this mass block is mitigated or not. We just need a small mitigation to this mass block. A small mitigation is all that we need to enter into this trade. Come on, come on. A small mitigation in the last 5 minutes. Let's look at hourly candle. I think we will get an entry. I think we will get an entry according to the hourly candle. But if we don't get any entry during this hourly candle, then maybe in the next hourly candle we will get an entry. We might even hit the stop loss because our stop loss is too low, but we are also protected by this fair value gap. Actually, we are not protected by this fair value gap. Last 3 minutes of this hourly candle, we did not mitigate this mass block. That's the problem. I think this was the entry. I had to be quick. I had to be quick and took an entry, but I did not. I could not because I didn't see the market touching this fair value gap here. Last 2 minutes. Okay, so that's a big loss. BB, I have for which you marked as a mass block. That's my model for USD JPY, which I have made for the USD JPY. As you can see, the market came, touched, and went up. And I'm waiting for another mitigation. You can see here, this mass block was for the long side. It went up, it came down. This mass block was here for the long. It went up. This mass block was for the short. It came down. This mass block is for the up. Once the market, that's why I'm waiting for the market to mitigate this, or even a body candle close above this will be a good candidate. Now I am just feeling like lost, lose the trade. No bro, it's not breaker block, it's mass block. It's different than breaker block. Let's look at hourly candle. It has different criteria to its validation, so it is different than the mass breaker block. It is mass block for your kind information. And I have made this concept, and it works on USD JPY. Well, not if not now, we will take a trade in the New York session. My time is about to complete here. So we are in the last minutes of this hourly candle. So we got a good candle. Now let's see if it comes back to this mass block. We have touched the mass block, but if I enter here, my stop loss will be somewhere here, right? Why can't I enter? I can't here enter here, bro. My stop loss has to be somewhere below this. What the fuck? What the fuck was with this? I was just entering here and it didn't let me enter at that time. Now the market has mitigated the mass block. I am deleting this one. $96. Okay, let's see if we get an entry. We are not getting this entry, but we are going for this entry now. And stop loss is below here. Our target is the same. Our target is same, that this top of this, it is again 17:1:17 trade. We are missing entry of that entry. I had this entry like with limit order, but the market didn't let me execute it. What the fuck was that? Now the market is going up again. It's too much bad luck today, bro. Can you say this is a breaker? This is a mass block, man. This is a mass block. It's something different than the breaker. Regret after regret. Mass block, I'm not explaining, bro. That's something of my own inventions like Thunder FVG, so I'm not explaining. I'm just in losing trades after trades. Should I go in with just yes? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, take me in. I know you can, you want. Come on, mitigate this block, mitigate this block. Come on, I will just get out. This block is mitigated. Can you come a little lower, please? Like this here. My entry is somewhere here then. Okay. Just 2 points more, 331, 31 point more. Just 1 point more, please. Come 1 point more, please. Just need to come 1 point more lower to take us into this trade. You just needed to come 1 point. Yep, we are in now. We are into this trade. We are into this trade. 96, $80. Now let's see if this trade goes in our favor or not. We have entered successfully, and we are and I think we are going to go out also successfully. Let's look at hourly time frame. Hourly time frame says some different stories. We have our TP at this place high. 1 minute time frame. We are going to lose again. $375 of loss. Okay, so that's it for today. I think our previous entry was better. That is this trade. We cannot take any more trades anymore. This mass block was up to here only. So we lost $375 today. We also made $1,000 yesterday, so that's not bad. Let's trade on the other account. How much in losses we are in this? We are already in 100 $300 in loss. USDJPY chart. Let's go with just 3 lots. Entry sell. That's too much, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Well, bye. I'm closing this stream now. Bye bye and have a nice day. We had 3 consecutive losses today. Actually, 2 losses on this account and 3 losses on this account. So we lost around 300 to $375 today, plus $115 in commissions. Bye bye. Be take care and be safe.